Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom and a life of luxury? If so, you're not alone. Many people strive for financial success, but few achieve it. That's where the Millionaires Code comes in, a program promising to reveal the secrets of the wealthy and help you join their ranks. But does it live up to the hype? In this Millionaires Code review, we'll dive into the program's details and explore its potential for transforming your financial future. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the Millionaires Code? The Millionaires Code is a comprehensive online program designed to teach individuals the strategies and mindset necessary to achieve financial success. Created by a team of experienced entrepreneurs and wealth experts, this program aims to provide a roadmap for those seeking financial freedom. Let's break down the key components of the Millionaires Code. Video training modules. These are in-depth sessions covering crucial topics such as wealth mindset, investing, and entrepreneurship. Interactive workbooks. These workbooks help you apply the concepts you learn to your own life and financial goals. Community support. You'll have access to a community of like-minded individuals for motivation, guidance, and support. Live coaching sessions. Regular live sessions with experienced coaches offer personalized guidance and feedback. By enrolling in the Millionaires Code, here's what you can expect. Develop a wealth mindset, learn how to think like a millionaire and cultivate a mindset focused on financial success. Gain investing insights, discover effective investment strategies and learn how to grow your wealth. Unlock entrepreneurial potential, acquire the skills and knowledge to start and grow a successful business. Build a supportive community, connect with like-minded individuals sharing your financial goals. Pros. Comprehensive program covering various aspects of financial success. Interactive workbooks and live coaching sessions for personalized guidance. Supportive community for motivation and accountability. Cons. Requires dedication and effort to complete the program. Results may vary depending on individual circumstances and actions. So, is the Millionaires Code worth it? The Millionaires Code offers a unique opportunity to learn from experienced entrepreneurs and wealth experts. While results are not guaranteed, the program provides a comprehensive framework for achieving financial success. If you're willing to put in the effort and dedication, the Millionaires Code can be a valuable investment in your financial future. In conclusion, if you're serious about achieving financial freedom and willing to work, the Millionaires Code may be the perfect tool to help you unlock your full potential. Take the first step towards joining the ranks of the financially free and start your journey with the Millionaires Code today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into financial success programs. And if you've tried the Millionaires Code, share your experience.